Hi everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your side repeater bulb in your BMW E60. Now I've just had to change this, so in case you're wondering how to do it, it's quite an easy job. You can definitely do this one yourselves at home. You don't have to take the inner wing out, and as you can see there's no screws on it at all. So I will show you how we're going to remove it. Okay, so what you want to do is grab the indicator light with both hands, and you need to slide it back in this direction towards the back of the car. As you can see, yours might be a little bit stuck if it hasn't been moved recently, but it should be able to move like that. Once you've got it pulled all the way back, you tilt the front of it out like so, and then it releases. And what you'll probably find is that you've got exactly the same light as me, and you've got this springy section here, and you've got this sort of a hook here which hooks into this part of the front wing. Now to get the bulb out, you just twist this, remove it, and there you go, there's your bulb, 501S if you've got an amber one, and push that back in there, put it back in. You've noticed you've got two little lugs here that just need to be lined up with the same lugs inside the light. Push it in and twist, that will lock it in position, and then when you put it back in, you hook the front of the light in first, like so, and then it just pops in. Okay guys, hope this helped some of you. If it has, please like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.